What's going on, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers, everybody around the world? Hello. Say 40, hello.
Hello.
Hello, watch it.
47 killer.
47 killer. So,
For tomorrow. Tomorrow killer.
watch it, Papa. Alright, Alright, guys. I don't know, whatever. Put the clutch on, put the transmission on, project driver, so I have this long block all set and ready. But I wanted to take you guys on an experience on how I prep. So this will basically be a video of 2 days, but it'll be one video. So today I'm prepping the AK-47 to go out racing. We're gonna go test and tune tomorrow at ACO and see if we can dial in this short track and go into H-Day prepared for the M1 class. So I have to add some weight to the front. I'm changing the oil now, and I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. So yeah, let's get to it. Bringing that oil out, held up pretty good too. You know, in M1 you really don't kill the oil. I run a 20 weight brad pen because when we add the sauce, you know, your oil really gets beat up. So on M1 you can probably get over 6-7 passes on this. So it was good to see when I swapped out this oil that it held its color. It didn't look all milkshakey and whatever. If you know, you know. But yeah, let's prep the guy right now. Oh, running the cut. Look at her. Oh my God! Check out that filter. Just waiting for that to all drain now. What happened? What happened? What happened now? What happened now? What happened now? I told him to throw this out because it's empty, and he's trying to get the gristles out of it. I told him we have plenty in the back. Lambonazo.
Yeah.
He told me to watch how I'm talking to him. Unless I know how to fight, right? Yeah. You just yesing me to death. What happened to your toe hook, bro?
Huh?
Where's your toe hook?
He put in audio.
Oh, what happened to your toe hook? The hook.
Oh, for that one?
Mm-hmm.
It's extra. For extra.
For extra. You over here running my bolts. You over here stealing my bolts, bro.
Yo.
Watch your language. You're fighting good?
Yeah. In running good.
Oh, and you run good. Add a little diffusion down here just to keep some of the air out. This was from the leftover carbon, so it just covered this tunnel so we can just navigate the air under the car. Hope you like it. Basically day 2 here, Tuesday. Got the trailer out, car's on slicks, because we added some weight to it. So don't want to rub here, so we're going to get some wood. There goes 40, he's out. There he is, he's gone. And that's it. See what today brings. Car's all inside now. I didn't set up the tripod, so I had to drive it in. Sorry boys. But that's the next step here. Just strap up, pause. Strappy buttons here as usual, always. And just waiting for Jamie. He's gonna ride with us. We'll have a good time today. Can't wait. Filled up some petrol for my boy right here. What's your name? Akbar. I'm Aki.
Okay.
I'm Aki.
Pleased to know you, Aki.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Likewise.
Man, thanks for the luck too. Yeah, we're here in Jersey. We're filling up some fuel. Trappy and Jamie just pulled the log out of the car. Jamie's gonna do some looking over as we drive, but let's go. And we're live, and we're here at ACO. Jamie's doing some final touch-ups on the computer. We added a new strain gauge to it. That's it. Fuel up, go tech real quick, and then go out for the first pass. That's beautiful. That's nice. I got you, Bruce. Gotcha. That's all she wrote, boys. So we took one pass. We raised up the rev limiter. The car kind of bogged really bad. I'll put the in car on. And when we were waiting at the line, we noticed that something was leaking, and we busted the oil pan. Oh, it's leaking bad. Oh, Trap, it's leaking bad now. Yeah.
Trying to get some more shit on the way here.
Yeah, I definitely did. But yeah, we busted up the oil pan. There goes the there goes the gift and the curse of going lean, you know what I mean? There goes the gift and the curse of going lean, you know what I mean? Oh, I see a gunner. I see a gunner. Go ahead. I see a gunner. I see him with his shirt. I see you, man. I see you, man.
What happened?
Busted the oil pan. Yeah. Busted up the oil pan, bro. We'll come back hopefully Friday. It's Tuesday.
Yeah?
Fix up the oil pan tomorrow. Yeah, easy fix.
That's all? Okay.
Yeah, it's easy fix. But yeah. Yeah, guys, there goes the gift and the curse of going lean, you know what I mean? Gift and the curse of going lean, you know me. I should drop an album. But man, that thing is leaking out bad. I'll show you guys in a second. Oh my god. My son's bleeding. My son's bleeding. We'll wrap it up, man. We'll get a few things sorted out over here. But, big shout out to my boy Jamie. Big shout out to Trappy Buckets. I gotta go put some work in right now. Be right back, boys. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna head and wrap this video up here. Rough day, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Rough day. 2 tickets on the red truck in the morning. Parked too close to the corner. Inspection sticker. Basically my sister's car needs 4 rotors and pads, and I've been waiting 2 hours. The AK-47 is leaking outside. The trailer caught a flat tire. It's been a rough experience on this vlog, this particular video. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the AK-47 on a lift, take off the oil pan, and then come up with a smarter idea on how not to have that happen again. So with that being said, pray for your boy. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep gunning. So I was wrapping up this video that you're watching right now, and the homie Corey pulled up, the gunner. He won the windows off the AK-47 in the raffle. You drippy right now too, bro.
Yeah. OD.
Box logo on. I see you. NASCAR.
Yeah.
I see you, man. It was a pleasure meeting you. Any words to the gunners, bro? I really like to listen to your guys' stories, though, man.
Yo, man, I enjoy just watching and viewing the content and everything that you got going on. So I just implore you to keep going, because there's a lot of people out here that just need motivation. And when I say motivation, I don't just mean like, you know, watching other people do it, but they want to do it, but they just can't get into the field, or they don't know how to. So by doing what you do, it kind of opens up a little avenue for them to get their feet wet. So for me, there's going to be a lot more coming. I'm going to be gunning just now. Niggas going to know who I am, pardon the, you know, slang. But
You're not leaving now?
it's about to go down. But I appreciate you, because without you, I probably would be still thinking about stuff that I want to do instead of just doing it.
Absolutely.
So I appreciate it.
Love is love.
So, yeah.
Your windows, man, right here. Congratulations, bro. What are you going to do with these?
I'm putting these on my wall until I get an EG to put them in, and once I do that, I'm gonna be a gunner.
That's
you
my man.
feel me?
Bless, kid.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it. And to all the gunners out there, just keep gunning, man. Believe in yourselves and keep moving. That's it.
Love.
That's my message for the day.